Hi, my name's Kim from Trailers Parts and Repairs in Currumbin, and today we are going to show you how to quickly check your bearings if they haven't been serviced for a while on your trailer or your caravan.
Okay, this is Harry. Hi Harry.
Hello.
And he's going to demonstrate on our little 6x4 trailer. He's got a trolley jack here, but if you don't have one of those, you might have a little jack in the back of your car. So he's going to put it under the trailer, quickly jack it up. Just so that the wheel gets up off the ground, right Harry?
Yep.
Then?
So you have to check if there's any wobble in the tyre, where see this is nice and tight, no wobble, and then spin your tyre. And if there's no noise, then the bearing's probably okay. If it's nice, if it's grindy or anything, then it probably needs to be changed.
Okay. That's all we need to know?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. There you go. There you have it. If you have any queries, give me a call on 55256194. Thanks, Harry.